Muthenya wa gatano atongoria aya aria mari mwahuini wa munini wa President William Ruto marutete ndumiriri ya hamwe ya gukumithia kunyitwo migwate na kugurario kwa Dennis Itumbi, afitha wa mitaratara ya ukinyaniria nenda-ini mwahuini wa munini wa President William Ruto. Atongoria aya matariirie uria riboti cia Itumbi uria kurerikana aranyitirwo kinyuthi-ini mwena wa Thindegua iramakinyeire na makinya maria mararumiriire thutha ucio.
Eyewitnesses reported that 3 men violently accosted Itumbi and swiftly forced him into a Toyota Premier saloon car KBL 455S.
Riboti iria marambĩtwo kwamũkĩra cia kũrĩa Itumbi angĩkorwo arĩ maugĩte iramerekagĩria ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Parklands. Riboti iria maugĩte irarĩ cia maheni tondu thutha ucio Itumbi aracokire kuoneka mwena wa Lakisama thaa 5 cia utuku enjaga.
Itumbi was severely injured and in great pain, having been tortured at length as his abductors drove him around the city. He was eventually thrown out of the vehicle into a thicket and left for dead. He managed to crawl to the nearest road where he sought help from boda riders, and this is where Mr. Makoha recognized him and offered to help.
The report was never brought to police, to Kasarani police station. It was never reported here until in the morning when we heard that within our jurisdiction at the hospital, Itumbi had been admitted there. So we rushed there for some details, and we were able to establish that indeed Itumbi was there, having been brought in at around 11:26 p.m.
Giko giki kiria marauga marekwira ni kirabangitwo wega magikumithĩtie ni undu wa kiria marekwira ni itanya ria gucokia wathani wa kuigia uterwo undu umwe na kwagagia ateti na atongoria aria mataranyita thirikari mbaru. Ndumiriri iria OCPD wa Kasarani Peter Mwanzo areganite nayo.
The way police work and the government work is that anyone that is wanted by police for whatever reason, maybe a crime or an offense or clarification, we have mechanisms, and it would first start with summoning that person to a police station.
Itumbi has confirmed that his abductors took turns to beat him while warning him that the torture was revenge for his social media coverage.
The kind of things that Dennis writes on social media are not vitu za wananchi wa kawaida, ni vitu ambazo zinaguza ambao wako katika maofisi za serikali.
They must stop these abductions, they must stop torture, they must stop whatever they are planning to do against people who don't agree with them politically.
Riu ikundi cia kuruira ihoto cia muingi ciuritio ciambiririe kugitira andu aria maragagio ni thirikari gutanagia na riboti ingi cia kunyamario kana kuragwo kwa andu aria mari na mirugamo ngurani. O riri no maabitha borithi maugite ni mambiriirie uthuthuria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.